sunrise over Korotolu. I was born in Nananu, where the mountains touch the sky. Navadili, my home, sweet home, where the breezes whisper by. Since 76 our roots run deep. Nakauvadra valley slow. Nakorosago tribe, our hearts we keep. A love for this land will always know. Oh, Navadili, son of my face. Korotolu, standing proud in this place. East the winds joy, green all around. Joyful hearts in my village found. Yeah, Navadili, my heart, my song. Hearing your beauty, I belong. Morning dew on the mountains high. Birds are singing as clouds drift by. Shells are laughing by the riverside. Stories of elders that come with pride. Every corner tells a tale of hope. Nakorosago, steer it red and gold. Under the sign our love shines through. Navadili, I'll always return to you. Oh, Navadili, son of my face. Korotolu, standing proud in his place. Peaceful winds blow, green all around. Joyful hearts in my village found. Yeah, Navadili, my heart, my song. Hearing your beauty, I belong. Dance with the breeze, sway with the trees. Korotolu watches over you and me. Like simple here, no worry or fear. Just love and laughter, hereafter here. Oh, Navadili, son of my face. Korotolu, standing proud in his place. Peaceful winds blow, green all around. Joyful hearts